Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to record our video for today's Nifty expiry as well as for the levels in Bank Nifty. So we will continue with yesterday's chart as we have discussed, right? So yesterday market gave a gap down opening. There was a pullback as as we have told you that there might be a pullback, and once the pullback was done almost up to the yesterday's level, then there was a downside as you can see in the charts arrow that we have drawn yesterday, right? So what is now for today? Today, Federal Bank, the Fed, US Fed hasn't increased the interest rate, but they have given a commentary that they are going to keep the elevated interest rate on the higher side for a longer period of the time. So because of which, you can see global market is giving a basic reaction to that, and almost all the markets are on the downside, especially the Asian markets. Hong Kong, you can see, this is the Korean, then this is your Japanese market, right? So yesterday also there was a good fall in the US market also. And about the European market, yesterday they closed on a positive side, but they can come on the negative side too. So there will be a reaction for that. Now what it Now let's talk about what will happen in our market. So yesterday we have seen 19,900 was the initial support level where the market took the support for yesterday's price, right? Now we are people are expecting a gap down, right? So we have to see where actually our Indian market is opening. So now you can see the next supports as well as the resistance level. So if the 19,900 breaks on the downside, the next support level will be around 845, and if 845 also gets broken, then the next support will be around 750. Okay, so if this 750 also goes right, so the next major support will be around 700 as well as 550. So we have to be careful about today's market because as you can see on hourly chart, the RSI is on the downside, right? I mean, currently it is at 26, and if the market gives a gap down opening, it will go further down on the downside. So, what you can expect? You can expect a pullback into the market, and if the pullback comes on, then you need to remember that 19,900 as well as 951 both will act as a resistance. But if further short covering rally comes into the market, it can push the market higher to 20,000 or up to even up to this level, 20,126, right? So be careful with that because there is a upside move expected in the market after giving a gap down opening. So it can come at the start of the day or it may come in between of the day, right? So you need to be careful about that part. But yes, overall the market's trend is bearish. Okay, so that's it for Nifty. Now we'll discuss about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, as you can see, right, yesterday it gave the buying exactly in our buying zone, that where it took the support, right? But even if today market is opening on the downside, you can see market has to break this particular support line, which is around 45,200. And if that also breaks, the next support level will be around 45,000 and 44,800. So these are the support levels as well as the buying zones where you can take the trades onto the market, right? And even if the market pushes a little bit on the lower side, it can move up to 44,600. There is a place in the chart, so remember that 44,600 can be achieved, right? But if it market is coming in this range, you need to buy it because of the short covering rally. And if the short covering rally comes on, the resistance is going to be 44,480 to the yesterday's high that we have seen. After that, the next resistance will be around 44,600, and then 44,900. So that will be the next resistance levels. So that's it for Bank Nifty today. Just remember one thing, you need to be careful for today, because you cannot just blindly buy put options, or you cannot just blindly sell the trade, I mean sell, because market will show you some upside. Okay, market has a feature that whatever the retailers are expecting, market tends to go in the opposite direction. Okay, so you need to be aware of that. So just be cautious about today's day. Okay, and then let's see